Hey guys, and welcome to Learn How to Dance, where you can find dance tutorials of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, popular dance moves, and other awesome dances. Alright, today we're going to do the spin back, it's cardboard box dance, TikTok dance. It's mostly arms, so I think it's fairly easy. Let's go. Alright, so preview of the first mini section I'm going to teach you is just pull, pew, na, na, pull up, pew, na, na. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Now let me break it down for you. So what you want to do is say pull with your arms like that, so you want to cross and pull out or pull back, whatever you want. And at the same time you can also take a step to the front with your right leg, okay? Now from here, what you want to do is just go one and, or you can go double, up to you. And then you want to take your right arm and go A, all right? So 1, 2. So let me just recap here. What you want to do is say pull, and then you want to go pew, and then you want to go A. Now at the same time, as you're doing this, you also want to do the hip move, all right? You don't need to exaggerate, but I'm just going to show you basically what you want to do is go a bit down on level, then you want to shoot your hip to the front or to the side, if you will, and then just back. Okay, so 1, 2. So I'm sort of prepping, and 1 and 2. Let me show it from the side. What I'm doing is I'm going and 1 and 2. So everything all together in mini section 1 here goes pull, pew, and ha, pull, pew, and ha. So you want to do that twice, alright? Let me show it from the side as well. You want to go pull, pew, and ha, pull, pew, and ha. Okay, try and practice with me. I'm going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to go pull, pew, and so on. 5, 6, 7, 8, pull, pew, sit, pull, pew, sit. Let's try that a bit faster, one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, pull, pew, and sit, pull, pew, and sit. Now, once you've practiced that a million times, we want to move on to mini section 2. So a quick preview of mini section 2 is with a 1, 2 goes hey, and hey. Alright, so let me break it down for you. So mini section 2 goes, you still want to keep this hip move here. Alright, and at the same time, you also want to say point to your left and point to your right. Alright, so it goes prep, boom, and boom. Now right after prep, boom, and boom, you want to bring your both fingers here, index fingers, and you go carve a square. Alright, so you want to start from here, go out, down, and connect them down here. Okay? So let me just recap here. What you want to do is go woom, keep going with the hip. Alright? So let me just show you. Woom, and woom. Alright, so hip, and hip. Okay? Let's try and practice that tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8, and point, and woom. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and woom, and woom. Let's try that one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and woom, and woom. Okay, so once you've practiced mini section 2 as well, let's try and combine mini section 1 and mini section 2, okay? Then just do a recap here of mini section 1 and 2. So from the tip to the top, we go pull, pew, and a woom. Pull, pew, and a woom. And then hey, point, and a cardboard box. Let's try and practice that super slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Pull, pew, and I sit again. Pull, pew, and I sit. Now point left, right, and a car for fox. Let's try that again, same tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Hold, pew, and a sit, sit, and hold, pew, and a sit, sit. Point left, right, and a core for fox. Now, if the hip thing becomes too confusing, just leave it up. Just do the arms, okay? Now, let me move on to mini section 3. I'm gonna show you a quick preview. So this was in the 2, 3 goes, boom, hey, hey, ha, ha. Okay? Now let me break it down for you. So what you wanna do is you wanna, let's just do the arms. You wanna sort of say prep. So you're taking your right arm up right before you wanna say switch, okay? So see what I did there? My arms are opposite, so right is up here, left is down here, and then I want to cross, boom, all right? And my right arm is like this because I want to do shake it up, and then they want to move past each other again, all right? So opposite sides again, and just recap. So I did a couple of box, I want to go, boom, move it up. Now, once I'm here, what I'm going to do is go 1, 2, and then it goes ka, ka. I just roll a few times. It's basically just 2 ka, ka, so whatever you can make, all right? So let me recap here. Box, boom, shake it up, and then you want to go 1, 2, ka, ka. Now, let me show you from the side as well. So 3 goes, this was end of 2, 3 goes, boom, 1, 2, ka, ka. And then if you want to include the hips, it goes, so this was end of 2, 3 goes, boom, boom, hey, hey, ka, ka. All right, so you just keep going. All right, let me just show you one more time. It goes, boom, boom, ka, 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 ka. All right, let me explain the timing as well. So for mini section 3, the timing goes, it goes, boom, changing my number and I'm changing the la, ka, ka. All right, let me just try to sing that again. So it goes, boom, changing my number and I'm changing the la, ka, ka. Okay, try and practice with me. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna say, boom, changing my number and I'm changing the la, ka, ka. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, changing my number and I'm changing the la, ka, ka. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Boom, changing my number and changing the la, ka, ka. All right, let's just do the last mini section as well, mini section 4. So right after boom, boom, ka, ka, what you want to do is take a step out to your right with your right leg. Boom, pretty simple, right? At the same time, you kind of want to groove this way, so you want to swing it around and then bring it back. All right, so what I want to do is go boom, A. Now, once I've stepped in, I want to step to the other side, left leg to the left side, and then I want to go cross, back in, up, and then you can groove however you want. You can bring them down and do this, whatever you want. Okay, so let me just recap. So mini section 4 goes like this. Step out, in, the other side, here, up, free step, in. Okay, let me show it from the side as well. What you want to do is go boom, A, hey, and up, way, 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 way. Now, timing for the last mini section goes, when you can't get in, know your heart gon' stop, and I'm going ba-da-na-na-na-na. Okay, try and practice with me. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go, when you can't get in, know your heart gon' stop. A bit slower. 5, 6, 7, 8. When you can't get in, know your heart gon' stop. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. When you can't get in, you know your heart gon' stop and boom, na 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 na. Yeah. Alright guys, let's do the full dance from the tip to top. I'm gonna do a quick run through and then we're gonna practice. Okay, quick run through. You wanna say pull step, pew, and then we're gonna go and hip, hip, again, pull, pew, and push up, up, and then point left, right, and a car or box, and then boom, up, A, ka, and then step out, right, round, left, in, up, and I groove. And let me show the timing as well. So timing goes, pull up, pew, spin, back, pull up, pew, spin, back. I'ma put your name in a cardboard box. Boom, changing my number and I'm changing the la-ka-ka. When you can't get in, know your heart gon' stop. And I go na-na-na-na-na, boy-na-na. Alright, time to practice, guys. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna practice. We're gonna start slow, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, pull up, pew, bit, back, pull up, pew, bit, back. I'ma put your name in a cardboard box. Boom, na 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 na, changing the la-ka-ka. Na 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 na, in know your heart gon' stop. Wow, na 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 na. Okay, that was a little bit fast. Let's try to go slow. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pull up, pew, bit, back, pull up, pew, spin, back. I'ma put your name in a cardboard box and boom, na 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 na, changing the la-ka-ka. When you can't get in, know your heart gon' stop and groove, boy, na na. Okay, guys, feel free to practice at your own pace. I'm just gonna do one last time, a bit faster, okay? So 5, 6, 7, 8, pull up, pew, spin, and pull up, pew, spin, then I'm a banana in a cardboard box. I'm changing my name and I'm changing the la-ka-ka. When you can get in, your heart gon' stop. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.